In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan YouTube videos in ClickUp. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. From the main dashboard, head to your team space and open the overview for your workspace. This is the hub where you'll add a new space dedicated to your YouTube planning. Keeping everything inside its own space helps you separate content work from the rest of your tasks and keeps your views clean. Once you're on the overview page, look for the option to create something new and choose new space. Think of a space as a container for everything related to your channel: ideas, scripts, filming, edits, and publishing. You can always rename it later, but creating a dedicated space now will keep your content pipeline organized from day one. When the space setup window appears, choose Use Templates instead of starting from scratch. Templates save time and give you best practice structures right out of the box, especially for repeatable workflows like content production. If you see filtering options in the template library, make sure you're viewing all template types so nothing is hidden. This ensures you're searching across spaces, folders, and lists, and not just a single category. It's a small step that makes the next part easier. Use the search bar in the template library and type YouTube. This narrows the results to content workflows tailored for creators. If nothing shows up at first, double check your spelling and that the category filter is set to include everything. From the results, choose the YouTube Content Planner template. This template is designed to map your content from idea to publish, with statuses, custom fields, and views that match a typical production pipeline. It helps you keep track of topics, scripts, thumbnails, deadlines, and handoffs all in one place. Click Use Template to start the import. You'll usually see a quick setup screen where you can confirm where the template will live and what elements to include. This is helpful if you want to keep things simple at first and add more later. Finally, confirm by clicking Use Template again to complete the import. ClickUp will create the space with the structure already in place. After it loads, you can begin adding your video ideas, set target publish dates, and assign teammates if needed. A quick tip: pin the most helpful views like calendar or board so your weekly plan is always one click away. And that's it. You've set up a streamlined YouTube planning system in ClickUp, ready to take your content from brainstorm to published with clarity and control.